Is your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G feeling slower than usual when opening apps or switching between tasks? A buildup of temporary cache files can affect performance over time. Clearing an app's cache is a simple maintenance step that can help improve responsiveness. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel, then tap the Settings gear icon. This is where you can manage all device and app settings. Step 2. Scroll down through the Settings menu and tap Apps or Applications option. You will see a complete list of applications installed on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Step 3. Find and tap the app that is running slowly or causing performance issues. Apps such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Chrome, and mobile games often accumulate large amounts of cache data over time. Step 4. Inside the app information page, tap Storage. Here you can view how much storage space the app is using, including cache and data. Step 5. Tap Clear Cache at the bottom of the screen. This removes temporary files without deleting your personal data, login information, settings, photos, or messages. After clearing the cache, reopen the app and check its performance. You can repeat these steps for other frequently used apps to free up storage and keep your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G running smoothly and efficiently. We hope this guide helped improve your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G experience. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials.